Welcome to this NetSims Technologies tutorial video. This video will show you how to use Account Hub to secure your business app's account. We will start at the dashboard. Let's change your password. Click Account Security. You can use the large button here or the menu item up here. In the Change Password box, first enter your current password, then enter your new password. Finally, enter your new password a second time and press Change Password. If your password is insecure, you will be asked to choose a different one. We suggest thinking of a sentence and using that as your password. It will be easy to remember, but hard for a hacker or malicious computer program to guess. Next, we will add a PIN. The PIN is used instead of a password in some apps, such as the station kiosk. Your PIN can be up to 8 digits long and must be a number. Go to the Account Security page. Enter the new PIN twice and press Change PIN. To remove your PIN, simply click Change PIN without entering anything. Now we will set up two-factor authentication. This will require typing a 6-digit code while logging in. With two-factor authentication, even if a hacker knows your password, he cannot access your account. The code changes every 30 seconds and is produced by the NetSims Business mobile app on your phone. If you already have an app for TOTP codes, you can use that instead. First, go to Account Security and press Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You will be shown a QR code and some information. Now pick up your phone and open the Business app. Tap the key icon. Tap the plus button at the bottom. Tap Scan QR Code and hold your phone up to the screen. The code will be added. If you have a broken phone camera or other issue, you can use the manual method instead. Let's see that now. Tap Manual Entry. Now enter the secret key, label, and issuer shown on your computer screen. Tap Continue, and the code will be added. Now on your computer, enter the code from your phone into this box and click Finish Setup. Congratulations! If you followed all the steps in this tutorial, your account is now fully secure with a strong password, you have set a PIN, and your security will be further enhanced with a two-factor code. Thank you for watching this NetSims Technologies tutorial video.